Uttarakhand branch of the Indian Medical Association has served a defamation notice of 1,000 crore rupees to Yog Guru Baba Ramdev. Now, in a statement, the IMA demanded a written apology from the Yog Guru within 15 days. The notice has also asked Baba Ramdev to make a video clip contradicting all his allegations against allopathy and doctors and post it on his social media platforms. The Indian Medical Association said it will demand a compensation of 1,000 crore rupees from the Yog Guru if he failed to do so. Earlier, a video went viral on social media in which the celebrated yoga guru was heard saying, "Modern allopathy एक ऐसी stupid और दिवालिया साइंस है," saying words to the effect that modern allopathy was stupid and a failed science. Baba Ramdev's comments sparked outrage across the country. Doctors at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences protested outside the hospital and called Baba Ramdev a hypocrite. Baba Ramdev, doctors said, made fun of deaths of 1,200 doctors who made the supreme sacrifice of their lives saving patients during the corona pandemic. The IMA has also sent a legal notice to Baba Ramdev. Earlier, the Health Minister, Dr. Harshvardhan, asked Baba Ramdev to take back his comments.
बाबा रामदेव जो हैं वो निरंतर डॉक्टर्स के प्रति, स्पेसिफिकली अगर देखा जाए तो एलोपैथिक डॉक्टर्स के प्रति हर 4 दिन में एक बार एक बयान दे रहे हैं। इसमें अभी जो उन्होंने एक बयान दिया है जिसमें ये कहा है कि जो 1200 डॉक्टर्स जो अभी देश में जो शहीद हो गए हैं, एक्चुअली उन्होंने कहा कि वो मर गए हैं, वो खुद को नहीं बचा पाए, वो देश की जनता को क्या बचाएंगे। ये बहुत ही एक इनसेंसिटिव सा एक बयान है उनका, जो कि हमारे देश के डॉक्टर्स जो इस समय कोविड ड्यूटीज़ कर रहे हैं वार्ड में, आईसीयू में, उनका एक तरीके से अपमान है। अगर देखा जाए लास्ट ईयर की बात की जाए, जब पहली वेव थी, तब जो लोगों ने डॉक्टर्स के लिए तालियां बजाई, उनके लिए एक तरीके से फूल बरसाए। इस समय सेकंड वेव में निरंतर जिस तरीके से बाबा रामदेव जो हमारे डॉक्टर्स का अपमान कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ही गलत है।
Let's also listen into the controversial remarks that were made by the Yog Guru on doctors and on allopathy.
तीसरा बोला मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है, टर 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 करते रहते। 1000 डॉक्टर तो अभी कोरोना की डबल वैक्सीन लगाने के बाद मर गए। कल क्या समाचार है? कितने? 1000 डॉक्टर डबल वैक्सीन लगाने के बाद भी मर गए। अपने आप को ही नहीं बचा पाई, वो कैसी डॉक्टरी? तो मैंने कहा डॉक्टर बनना है तो स्वामी रामदेव जैसा बन, जिसके पास में कोई डिग्री नहीं और सबका डॉक्टर है। विदाउट एनी डिग्री, विद डिविनिटी, विद डिग्निटी, आई एम ए डॉक्टर। क्लोरोक्विन फेल हुई, फिर रेमडेसिविर फेल हो गई, फिर एंटीबायोटिक्स इनके फेल हो गए, फिर स्टेरॉइड इनके फेल हो गए, प्लाज्मा थेरापी के ऊपर भी कल बैन लग गया, और इवरमाक्टिन भी फेल हो गया, और जो है अभी एक बुखार के लिए क्या दे रहे हैं वो फेवी फ्लू, वो भी फेल है। जितने भी दवाएं दे रहे हैं, फिर लोग कह रहे हैं तमाशा हो क्या रहा है। लाखों लोगों की मौत एलोपैथी की दवा खाने से हुई है। जितने लोगों की मौत हॉस्पिटल न जाने के कारण से हुई है, ऑक्सीजन न मिलने के कारण से हुई है, उससे ज्यादा लोगों की मौत ऑक्सीजन के बावजूद हुई है, दवा एलोपैथी की दवा मिलने के बावजूद हुई है, स्टीराइड की वजह से हुई है। लाखों लोगों की मौत का कारण एलोपैथी है। मैं कहता हूं एलोपैथी साइंस पूरी खराब नहीं है। मॉडर्न मेडिकल साइंस का हम स्वागत करते हैं, साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी का विरोध नहीं है। मरते ऐसे, अरे भगवान ने मुफ्त में ऑक्सीजन दे रखी है, ले ऑक्सीजन की कमी पड़ रही है, भगवान ने सारा ब्रह्मांड भर रखा है ऑक्सीजन से, ले तो ले बावड़े। बाहर सिलेंडर ढूंढ रहे हैं तो अपने भीतर 2 सिलेंडर लगा रखे, ये सिलेंडर है, भर सिलेंडर कम पड़ गए।
India Today's Neha Mordani now joins me for more on the story. Neha, is this about Yog Guru Baba Ramdev's statements, or is this a bigger fight that's happening between allopathy and Ayurvedic practitioners at this point of time?
You know, Gaurav, this is a big fight that's been going on, and let me tell you, the root of this fight really is at allopathic doctors from the very beginning of the pandemic saying that coronal kit and the kind of treatment that is being suggested to handle this infection is something that can mislead the people of the country. At best, they can be seen as immunity boosters, but nothing more, nothing less than that. From that point in time last year till now, I remember very well when this coronal kit was launched by Ramdev last year also, allopathic doctors had approached the health ministry saying that you have to come out with a clarification. This has been going on for a while now. Given the fact that he's spoken about vaccines, the fear within the government is that this could fuel vaccine hesitancy. Also, there are doctors dying every single day in the country. Remember, COVID 19 hospitals, Gaurav, in the country do not have Ayurvedic doctors or doctors from Ramdev's Patanjali. They have allopathic doctors who are treating the patients. These are medicines that are being used in the country to handle patients of COVID 19. I agree there is no cure. But because seeing the manner in which this was demoralizing the doctors and also the perception that this government is standing with Ramdev, especially because Union Health Minister Harshvardhan was also a part of the coronal, advertisement drive that was
Okay.
launched by Ramdev. It was imperative for him to step in, Dr. Harshvardhan, and to issue a strict statement to Ramdev after his telephonic conversation that your statements will fuel vaccine hesitancy and also demoralize the doctors. IMA, of course, has taken it a step further, the Uttarakhand chapter, telling Ramdev that if you do not take your statement back, they're going to go ahead and sue you. They've given a deadline of 15
Has
days.
there been a reaction from the Yog Guru on this or on the comments that he made, inviting a lot of criticism, Sneha? Yog Guru Baba Ramdev, did he react to any of those comments that came in?
Not just yet to the legal notice per se by IMA in Uttarakhand, but Ramdev has been on the defensive, and he, like we just played that soundbite out, said that the proof of the pudding really is in the eating, and the fact of the matter is that none of these medicines have worked. So he's been making these statements even after that very strongly worded letter from the Union Health Minister that spoke about the fact that you should take back your statements. But I think the sense really is that he continues to be defiant.
It does remain a fact that Remdesivir has been now taken off the treatment course of COVID-19, and a lot of experimentation does continue. Sneha, for the moment, many thanks for joining me.